Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, as agreed, we are going to run the model files for neural network, random forest and linear regression to make sure that models are prepared and trained. Just FYI, when models will run, that will start consume very high amount of storage, like we are talking about gigabytes. The data that we acquired, these files, by the way, I just uploaded them to the GitHub and refreshed the repository. So this folder here is something like under 50 megabytes, but here each of these folders with the model files will definitely be gigabytes. So if you have restricted size of your HDD, make sure to leave enough space not to get your other tasks impacted. Okay, let's start with, linear regression. Shall we start with it? Let's see what it will give us. We can see that here code is running and models are prepared in alphabetical orders. So once this is finished, we will check how much storage it consumes for one model, and we will try to open a model file. As you can see here, linear regression folder is populated with the files. Let's open it in Explorer and do properties. No, it's small, it's 1 megabyte. Pretty good. Let's open to see if we can open any files and see what they are consist of. Just once, with Notepad. No, we can't. Okay. I don't mind as long as it works for others. Let's do the same for the random forest. Oh, we got some issue with it. Okay, we'll make sure to check it at the next session. And let's see for neural networks what we got so far. And it is processing as well. So it will take some time processing all files. Make sure to run these codes on your side too. Try linear regression with the codes that are in repository and neural networks. I will do a deeper dive to understand what's wrong with the random forest code, and we'll try to fix it. Maybe even I'll do some submission again for the repository before tomorrow. We can see like how much time it passed. 0029. In 1 minute it did 2 letters almost. Of course, A is one of the most occupied letters with our files. Let's see how our data distribution looks like. So for A, yeah, we definitely got a lot, like probably 50 files, not less, and for B around 70 out of 500, so 1/7. In total it should take not more than 7 minutes to prepare all these files. Let's see if we can, yeah, we got neural networks. but no, doesn't work properly. Okay, we are done with D. So, but definitely it will take some time, so why don't we do this? With you trying to figure out how to run linear regression and neural networks and observing the process yourself. And tomorrow I will do analysis of what went wrong with random forest and probably update it to fix it and to complete our exercise tomorrow. So again, bringing together our partial achievements for today. We made a run for linear regression, for neural networks, and by the way, let's check the size of neural networks folder occupation. See if I was correct or wrong. It's not processed all of those, but still 30 megabytes. Interesting. Okay, so we're good. We did, here you can see it's up to I. I won't delete any of the files that we got, and tomorrow we will complete the random forest part. Thanks for your time. Today's lesson was shorter than I was expecting, but we will compensate it tomorrow by completing all exercise. Thank you, stay tuned, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.